Hi, good morning and welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, January the 18th, 2024. I'm Giovanni Benacore, analyst, trader, and educator with Vantage Markets. All right, so gold prices are pushing higher and silver slightly up in early trading today. Safe haven demand is featured in the yellow metal as risk aversion has upticked late this week following more military action in the Middle East. Now here's the thing, geopolitical tensions in the Middle East ratcheted up another notch as Pakistan launched retaliatory airstrikes inside Iran, killing at least 9 people. The strikes follow Iran's attack on Tuesday on Pakistani soil that killed 2. The risk of escalation remained today as Iran began a planned air defense drill from its port of Chabahar near Pakistan. Meantime, the U.S. has launched more airstrikes against Iranian-backed Houthi rebels targets in Yemen. Asian and European stocks markets were mixed to a firmer overnight. U.S. stock index futures are set to open higher when the New York session begins today. The key outside markets today see the U.S. dollar index down a bit after hitting a 4-week high yesterday. And crude oil prices are near steady and trading around $72 a barrel. Meantime, the yield on the benchmark U.S. Treasury 10-year note is presently fetching around 4.09%. All right, so with that being said, as we speak now, we have fluctuated above this psychological resistance of 17,000. We have retreated from that. Let's see if at the open, we'll continue with this momentum to the upside and see if we'll revisit that high of about December 28th on the Nasdaq. Now, as for the S&P, is also pulling back. Today it did almost reach yesterday's opening. So let's see if today at the open we'll continue with momentum to the upside and at least trade above 4,800. I have my resistance at 4,815. The Dow. Now let's see if the Dow will find its footing now and just give back some of these losses that is been having the last few days. So keep that in mind. Crude oil, here we are, 72.50, where it's at right now. So I'm thinking that this is gonna be another momentum to the upside. So 73.5 might be my target going long. Then we have Nat Gas. Nat Gas, I do look at it from the downside, so selling 270 is my target. Then we have here gold. So yesterday I was speaking about gold, that if it broke 2020, most likely would trade down towards the 2000, and it did so, but not quite 2000, but 2002. So it's in the 2000s. So it bounced off from here today. It did kind of made a little push to the upside. It retreated from that. Let's see if it's going to continue to more movement to the upside, or will it coming down and test that 2000 psychological support level. But I'm still long gold. Silver, however, now it was kind of in the green, now it's retreated also in the red now. So let's see if it continues to trend lower, to push lower. 2220 could be that support for it, and then make another attempt at reaching yesterday's high. Then we have copper, that I'm selling copper, go short copper, I'm shorting it, selling it. So 367 could be my target. Bitcoin, Bitcoin is creating this very tight channel. So anything that happen in Bitcoin, it can just pop to the upside, break, and just go back to 48, or it could just break this level of 40,000 and then be around there. So let's see what happens. So the currencies are now looking, they were trading higher. It did bounce off 109 and then just retreated towards the 108.5. Let's see if another story now. Also the pound is bouncing off my support, and that could continue if we see the dollar index moving higher to 103.50. We'll definitely see the currencies being hit and pressure on the metals. So keep that in mind. All right, that's it for me today. Wish you a fantastic trading day. I'll see you tomorrow.